Hi guys, this is Anne. We're making an avocado dressing. We're going to start obviously with the avocado. That's a large one. Some garlic cloves, that's around 4, and a medium size onion, capsicum, green capsicum, and lime. The lime is two and a half limes. I put because I wanted quite amount of lime, so I put all the ingredients together. And obviously I'm going to put a little water in it so it can be slightly thick. So I'll put 2 pinches of Himalayan sea salt, and yes, and I'll put a little water so you'll see me as I put the water. So we'll just blend it up. So there it is. So that's the dressing, but if you want to water it down, you can water it down, which I will do because of my salad. That's a little bit thick. That is like a dip. You can water it down and add a little bit more salt and garlic if you'd like, or you can even add cilantro in that one. So this one is more of a dip with the thickness it is. So I'll just water it down and put it in the salad. So now that is excellent for a dip. So this dressing, you can use it for a dip depending on the thickness or the wateriness of the dressing. So there it is. That will work more over dip. So when I looked at it, I saw it I can't be able to pour it, so I'll just blend it up in the blender with a little bit more water, and it is more runny. You can even put cilantro in it if you want, makes it even more tastier. So there it is, guys. That's my salad for dinner tonight. So that's what I'll be eating. So I thought I'd show you that it's very, very simple. Just those, if you want to add something sweet, you can add maple syrup. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Like it if you like. Bye.